how to make, like, to draw on these. Well, I've drawn a little bit here and I'm a little bit dirty. I'm Aissa, so let's start this video. So, I've drawn the laces, but now I'll draw them with some colored paper. So, you need to get which color you want. I'll get like this one because it's more better. And then you get one lace and then like you do dot on it. Wherever it says it, just like do how I'm doing. Or maybe just a little bit there. Okay, I think I'm done with this lace. Actually, not really that much. So I'll get this purple pen and do like, if you press hard on it, on this one, it will be like ink. So, and then you need to like scribble on them. Like, you put some ink on here, which color you want, really. You press hard. Just, yeah, there you go. And then now you get your laces and then you smuggle them. It looks like this. Do you like it? Well, I think this lace is done, so we'll put it there. Now, I've colored on this lace too, but it's not really here. It's more white here. So let's get like whatever color you want. I'll get like this greeny good one. And then like press hard on it, how I did. And then like twist if it's not doing it. It should want to do it. There you go. Yeah. And now you can close the lid. And now just mix them. Again, a little bit in your hands. You like them? Well, yeah, I've done that one too. Now, you can color these. But first, I've like colored it. I'll color it with this blue one. Do you like it? Like here with blue. Yeah. And I'll do the same part for here, orange, like this. But I've done it like the same. Just I haven't really done orange. But you'll get a wet paper towel. You will open the pack and get one. There you go. Got it. And now, like these little things that are here, you can like rub them off. Or to make it clean too. Like this. Can you see it's more cleaner? Well, you can do it to every single part. Just like that. And here. Perfect. And a little bit if you want like on the color. So it will like be more good. There you go. And a little bit on the blue one, you know. It's like more good to be on every single sides. And now you can like start to mix this one. I've already put a color, orange. I'll put this time yellow on this one, like so here. You draw it everywhere and then you let it a little bit dry. You get your finger if you want because I'm really dirty, as you can see. And you put it, after you put some yellow, you put it all, because I sometimes put all my fingers. Then you can give a little yellow to that one too. It gone off. But now you put green. I just want like a little bit on yellow on this one. Now it's ready for the color. Leave it a little bit to dry, and when you leave it a little bit to dry, you can like put your finger, then you can mix it up, then you can put a little bit here too. Maybe I'll put some more orange here. So let's draw it, and now mix it with your finger and put a little bit on here too. Just leave them to dry. Maybe just do a pat a little bit. And until you can do that, you can maybe do some more on the sides if you like. I like to do this dark blue because it's like nicer to do like dark blue on the sides. So yeah, I just like to do a little bit of scribbles, but yeah, you can do it how you want. You can take your time, or even do it how I'm doing it, because I like it like this. I don't know how you like it. If you do like this video, then like. And that now you do it until then. Maybe if you want, you can like just do a line. I'll like do more, and here a little bit like that, and perfect, done. Now you can like get your finger, and then like look, it's really blue now, so swish it through. I didn't really put more here, so I need to put some more. If you can put some more too, and then wash it up. How you wash it like this? Do you like it? It's really cute. And then like get another wet paper towel and get it out. And you can get it, and you can like do it a little bit on this to be like more smooth. Yeah, like that. Do you like it now? When I think now it's more cleaner. Just make it clean, clean it all up. Surely they will be so clean and nice. Mix it up. And there, even in there. There really is a lot of blue here. I did put a lot of ink, and then like mix it up. Mix up together, maybe, and a little bit on this. Wait, and you can draw with whichever color you want. I will like draw with this one on the back. Maybe just a little bit here. Then like just scribbles here. Everywhere. You can like just put scribbles done. I put scribbles there, and then you can just wash up a little bit. And then it looks like this. Do you like it? Well, I think you do. And then you just mix it up. Do you like it? I think it's nearly done. Now we just need to do the second one. You get another wet paper towel from here. And then you get it and put it here, or just a little bit maybe, because the green really does go. And then you put it everywhere. I think it's good, isn't it? Well, it surely is. Now like clean the bottom. It won't be like exactly the same, because I'll now put some of the red on the sides, not blue anymore. Now I'm putting red. Put it on every single side. Well, it's good if it's red, because then you can put your finger good through it. Yeah. Put it everywhere until you go to where you are. Just a little bit more there, a little bit more there. And now you get your finger, you don't forget to close it. And then you get this to your finger. Oh, yeah. Don't do it with the wet paper towel. It goes wet. And yeah, do it. It looks like a pink, doesn't it? I think it does, surely. And then you put it all over the place. There you go. Do you like it? Well, it's really good. And now just clean it all over. And that's not really good because it's really green, isn't it? Yeah, just put it there, okay. And then you clean it all over. And now, the same how I did on the back, you clean it if you want to. And you can put dark. I'll just put dark as usual. Yeah, and just like put it in the circle if you have a shoe like this. Yeah, and then just put it everywhere, and then put it again. Wash it. Like this. And done. Now you can just get the shoelaces and pick, like, I think this one will be good for this one and this one will be good for this one. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, then like. Bye bye friends.